Unleashing 217 miles per hour of pure power? Introducing the Aventador SVJ 2024. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, a marvel of modern engineering and design. Even the name sounds fast. It's a name that evokes speed, power, and prestige. This isn't just a car. It's a statement of luxury, performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship. This is for the driver who wants the best, the most extreme, a car that redefines the limits of what's possible on the road. And with a top speed of 217 miles per hour, it certainly delivers. The thrill of driving at such speeds is unmatched. The 2024 model year marks the final production run of this iconic supercar, a true end of an era. It's your last chance to own a piece of automotive history, a rare opportunity to be part of something legendary. The Aventador SVJ is the pinnacle of Lamborghini's engineering prowess, a fitting tribute to a legendary lineage. Every detail is meticulously crafted. This isn't a car for the faint of heart. It's for those who crave excitement and live for the thrill. This is a car that demands attention, that turns heads wherever it goes, a true showstopper. The Aventador SVJ is a masterpiece of Italian engineering and design, a symbol of excellence and innovation. Sculpted for speed, design, and features. The Aventador SVJ is a work of art, a true testament to Lamborghini's commitment to excellence and innovation. Every curve, every line, every intake is designed for maximum aerodynamic performance, ensuring that the car slices through the air with minimal resistance. You can see the lineage from the Countach, the Diablo, all the way to this modern masterpiece, each model contributing to the evolution of this iconic brand. The large rear wing isn't just for show, it's a crucial element in the car's aerodynamic package. It generates massive downforce, keeping the car glued to the road even at high speeds, providing stability and confidence to the driver. The aggressive front splitter and side skirts further enhance its aerodynamic profile, making it a true track weapon, ready to tackle any circuit with precision. Inside, you're met with a cockpit that's as luxurious as it is driver-focused, blending comfort with cutting-edge technology. Every detail is crafted from the finest materials, from the Alcantara seats to the carbon fiber accents, ensuring a premium feel and superior performance. This is a car that's meant to be driven, and driven hard, embodying the spirit of Lamborghini's racing heritage and engineering prowess. Heart of a bull engine and performance. The Aventador SVJ is powered by a monstrous 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 engine, a true marvel of engineering. This is a dying breed in the age of turbochargers and hybrid powertrains, but there's nothing quite like the raw power and sound of a Lamborghini 512. It's a throwback to a time when engines were pure and unadulterated. It produces a staggering 759 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 2.6 seconds, a testament to its incredible engineering and performance capabilities. This car is brutally fast. The acceleration is ferocious, pinning you back in your seat as you rocket towards the horizon. It's an experience that's both thrilling and unforgettable. The sound is something truly special. A symphony of mechanical fury that will send shivers down your spine. It's a roar that commands attention and respect. This is a car that's meant to be heard as much as it's meant to be seen. Its presence on the road is undeniable, a true icon of automotive excellence. Section 4. A symphony of technology advancements. The Aventador SVJ is packed with advanced technology. It features Lamborghini's ALA 2.0 system, which actively adjusts the car's aerodynamics for maximum downforce and minimum drag. The four-wheel steering system provides incredible agility and stability at high speeds, making the car feel smaller than it is. This is a car that defies its size, darting through corners with the precision of a much smaller machine. The 7-speed ISR gearbox delivers lightning-fast gear changes, ensuring that you're always in the right gear for maximum acceleration. This is a car that's designed to perform at the highest levels, both on the track and on the road. Section 5. On the Edge, the driving experience. Driving the Aventador SVJ is an experience like no other. It's a visceral, raw, and exhilarating experience that will leave you breathless. The car feels alive beneath you, responding to your every input with immediacy and precision. The steering is razor-sharp, providing excellent feedback from the road. The brakes are equally impressive, bringing the car to a stop from high speeds with confidence. This is a car that inspires confidence, even at the limit, but It's not just about outright speed. The Aventador SVJ is also surprisingly comfortable for a supercar. You can happily drive this car every day if you dare. Section 6. Legacy of Legends, Aventador's Place. The Aventador SVJ sits at the very top of the Lamborghini lineup. It's the most extreme, the most powerful, and the most desirable Aventador ever made. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible for a road car. It's a fitting successor to legendary Lamborghinis of the past, like the Miura, the Countach, and the Diablo. Cars that weren't afraid to be different, cars that challenged the status quo. The Aventador SVJ carries that torch with pride. This is a car that will go down in history as one of the greatest Lamborghinis ever made. It's a car that embodies the spirit of Lamborghini, extreme, uncompromising, and unforgettable. Section 7. Conclusion, a timeless masterpiece. The 2024 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ is more than just a car. It's a statement, a testament to Italian engineering and design. It's a car that will get your heart racing, a car that will make you feel truly alive. If you're lucky enough to own one, you'll be joining an exclusive club, a club of passionate enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life. The Aventador SVJ is a car that will be treasured for generations to come. It is a timeless masterpiece.